Is that a push? It's a push. Oh, honey, there's the car. Oh my God, there's the car. There's the car. What's up, guys? We're about to go pick up the black SI from the paint shop. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see it. The owner of the shop refused to show me, refused to send me pictures. He said I have to see it in person, so he kind of like vibed me up a lot even more. So I'm about to pull up now, and you'll get my genuine expression, and I just can't wait. I'm like super excited. Yeah, it took about what, 6 days, I think. So let's see. There's the car outside. Yeah, let's see what we're working with. Yeah. Oh wow. There's the car. Wow. Wow. Man. Yeah. Damn. Let me get guys on. What's up, bro?
What you doing, Joe?
What's up? What's up? Yeah, it looks really nice.
Sir, how are you?
Alright.
I think this is yours.
Yep. Thank you.
Happy?
Yeah. I'm speechless. Speechless. Yeah. Guys, I am super happy with how this car came out. I mean, and it's not even I didn't even buff it as yet. Kind of like it for like a couple months first, let it dry. But it's really pretty. Comment down below, guys, and tell me what you think. I love this car. It's so nice. Yeah, I want to say there's the owner over there. His name is Chris. I want to say big up Smart Way. Yeah. So you guys, I'm gonna leave his link in the description below. It's called Smart Way. Yeah, this is the car. So tell me what you guys think. You know, I'm really impressed with it. I'm about to take it home now, so yeah. Back home now, guys. So let the cleaning process begin. But it's so nice. I mean, you guys comment below and tell me what you think. I'm gonna have to get a headlight. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a set of headlight. One of them not, as you can see, one is brighter than one. So that's, and I have a front lid to put on. Then yeah. But just walking around the car and looking at the car, guys. And remember, it hasn't. we haven't buffed this as yet. As I say, I'm gonna wait until like probably a month or two, and then I bring it back to get it buffed. But yeah, I'm impressed with it. Big up Smartway. So guys, I'm right now doing I'd say some maintenance work to the SI. Let me show you guys what's going on here. So far I'm waiting on the headlights. So this one is kind of pale, and this one is brand new. So I ordered some gunmetal background ones. That should look good. And I said the car is not buffed as yet. I did over these with the bumper block, all the strips. See, took off the door covers, installing the roof right now. Got rid of the smiley face roof. This was hard to get, guys. Hard to get. Carpet is clean. Yeah. So I'm getting there. So it's almost, interior is almost done. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the wheels as yet. Probably comment down below and tell me what you guys think, if I should just get them sprayed, painted, or I should try and find, which is hard to find so far, the OEM wheels. But I don't know, comment down below and tell me what you guys think. If I should keep these or try and get the OEM wheels still. Because if I keep them, I have to paint them. They're kind of, you realize, close, you see? They want to be painted. But I mean, the car is nice, guys. Look down the line, guys. Look at the car. Really nice job. And big up Smartway. I think big up Smartway always, like, I'm gonna leave their link in the description. You can check them out if you're in Florida, in South Florida. They're very good guys and very efficient. So, and I have a front lip for it as well too. So that's just an update. Let me show you inside the trunk of the car. Let's see. Take this one off. Inside the trunk. Trunk of the car is so clean. Getting this car looking fresh again, but I'm glad the paint job is over with and I have that to deal with. So just showing you, what you can do from home. If you have a car that you have a project car, these are the stuff that you can do yourself. Like, get your bumper block, tape out whatever, and for just in case you don't want any overspray, then you do that. Spray that with the wiper blades. So yeah, guys, so it's coming along nicely. So guys, the light came in on the front lip, so this is how the car looks now. And what you guys think? Look at the lines on the car, guys. I tell you, it's a wonderful spray job that I got. And once again, big up Smartway. So this is how the car looks now, guys. Yep. And as you know, guys, I love cars, and like me and Asafa, we genuinely love cars. So we're gonna always be working on cars, and just encouraging you guys and showing you guys what we know, all our ideas and what we love doing. So I don't know what the next project is gonna be, because it's a lot of work and time, but I do it because I love it, and I appreciate you guys following us and subscribing to us always. As I said, from me and Asafa, thank you so much. And remember, guys, like, share, subscribe, and remember to hit that notification bell so you know whenever just click that bell so you know whenever we drop a new video. Thanks again, guys. Respect, Mad Squad.